Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I got a package in the mail the other day from Black Radiance, and turns out they have collabed with Jessie. If you do not know who she is, she makes funny videos on Instagram. She was on Love and Hip Hop Miami, and she is also a singer now, and she is Haitian. So, I had to do a video on this because if you didn't know, I am Haitian as well. So, and you don't see that many, Haitian creators getting opportunities like that, at least in the beauty space. So let's see here. Oh, this is what she looks like there if you don't know who she is. And what does it say here? When I was in college, I remember being broke and doing what I had to do to save money. Black Radiance was my saving grace. This brand is affordable without compromising quality. The bold and sexy palette is self-explanatory. It's a gorgeous feast of multi-use colors. The versatility is unmatched. I'm truly honored to work with Black Radiance, and I hope everyone loves my look. Jessie Woo. And this is the actual palette here. So it looks like it has eyeshadow colors, contour, blush, and it says bronzer, but I'm going to assume it means highlight, because who is bronzing with either one of these colors? I'm pretty sure it's just highlight. So we're gonna use the face and eye portion of this, so let's go. All right, let's take this orangey shade Seduction, and we're just going to blend that out right here. And this brown shade Muse in the crease, and we're just going to plop that in right there. All right, I'm gonna take this purple shade Forbidden, and I'm gonna place that down right here. Y'all know the shimmers are the real test there. And this pinkish shade, what do you call it? Entice in the front. And I'm just good. There we go. There's the shim that I was looking for. And just finish it off with the black shade. I'm gonna quickly run through my base makeup. So the palette does have a contour I can use, but what do you call it? Called Give Shape. So I'm gonna test that out now. Yo, I am super stressed. You would think I've never filmed a video before, but see, I thought it would be a good idea for me to post every single day on Instagram in the month of October. Y'all know, spooky season, all that good stuff, and still upload like I normally do Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday here on YouTube. And as you can imagine, your girl is quite stressed right now. Yesterday I did four or five looks in one day, and then after I do this, I'm gonna do more for Instagram and then edit this so I can upload it today. So yeah, I feel like my brain it's not functioning yet. It's still too early in the morning. I can't even make sentences here, but I also feel like I'm this close to forgetting steps in doing my face right now. And blush, I feel like this one kind of goes more with the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna use this one called Cheek to Cheek. All right, she looks like she is pigmented, so we are going to go lightly with this one. And then I just used the highlight. I don't care what it says, it ain't no damn bronzer. I just used the darker highlight on my face and trying to figure out, yeah, sure, why not? I'm not the biggest fan of these lashes, but I also don't have time to go find another pair of lashes, and this video isn't about the lashes, so we can just keep moving on there. Thoughts on the eyeshadow palette? We're gonna keep it a buck. The eyeshadows were a bit of a letdown. They obviously get the job done, and it makes sense they came out with it now because this palette is screaming very fall colors there. But I don't know, I just, it didn't, the shadows didn't pop to me. I just feel like, they just get the job done there. I think it was the shimmers really that were just kind of a letdown, because yeah, that reddy pinkish shade, popped for the moment, and then I just feel like, it kind of dulls down there, but it gets the job done. And also, y'all know I'm more of a colorful person anyway, so it's also that too. But if you're more of a, neutral eyeshadow, browns, fall-y type thing, y'all know what I'm talking about, then these are the shadows for you. If anything, I'm more impressed with the face side of this palette, especially that blush. We had to go ahead and tone her down because y'all know I don't really be popping out with blush like that. I'm not mad at it, and it's a good thing. It's pigmented there. So there's that, and also there is a contour shade that I can actually, use in this palette, and there's another one here. Really, this is the only thing in this palette I feel like well, not that I can't use, because, you know, you could use this for eyeshadow or whatever other reasons, but if we're talking like specifically what it's for, this is really the only thing in here that I probably won't use as often there, because I was looking at this and, you know, I wouldn't use this as a highlight, but it probably could be an inner corner, you know, a brow highlight, stuff like that. So it's really just this one that I feel like I'll probably never touch the pan, but they have an option for me. Okay, so goals. I'd use both blush shades. And like I said, I could use this as an inner corner, and then you can use this as highlight. So I really actually am more for the face side of this palette than the shadows, but there's nothing like wrong with the shadows. They're just, you know, they're just good. Nothing spectacular, nothing bad. They're just good shadows. And most importantly, this is Black Radiance, so we know she's affordable there. So it's affordable makeup wearer friendly, if that makes sense. It's beginner friendly. It is neutral, you know, browns, a little bit of gold type of makeup wearer friendly. And if you like little pops of color, you know, it's got its little pops of color there with the yellow and the orange. The orange is pigmented. Let me give that to the orange. The orange was pigmented. It's got its little pops of colors there. It's not a lot for the colorful people out there, but you know, you got something if you did want to pick this shadow up. Actually, let me see what some of these that I didn't use are looking like swatched there. So there is 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 3. That's a yellow. 4. It's trying another layer of the yellow there. Kind of not surprised that the swatches look like that, because you'll get the job done. Like, I did have to layer a little bit. Like I said, it's going to work, but again, it's nothing popping, nothing standing out there. You know, cause so like I said, good, not outstanding. It'll take some elbow grease, but it's affordable and it's not horrible. So I hope seeing me test out this palette has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.